catching feelings, baby.
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing Queen's hair, and this is just going to be a simple, cute, quick style just to hold her off until school starts. Okay y'all, so I'm going to be using the Gold Serum Collection by Pantene. So I'm just going to wash Queen's hair 3 times, and then I'm going to condition it 1 time. Y'all, so I could not find my wide tooth comb for nothing in the world. My plan was to detangle her hair while I had to condition it in there, but since I could not find my wide tooth comb, I had to work with what I had. So I had to detangle her hair before I blow dried it, and I hate that process with a passion, but it got us through. So now I'm going in with the Gold Serum Thermal Heat Protector by Pantene. So I'm just going to spray this all over her hair, and then I'm going to start my blow drying process. I'm also going to detangle each section before I start to blow dry it. Sometimes I also use detangling spray if I find that it's just way too tangled up and I don't want to pull on it too much. I'll just go ahead in and spray with my detangling spray, which y'all will see that here in a little minute. So now I'm going in with the Gold Serum Hydrating Oil, followed by Queen's Hair Potion Oil. And then I'm also going to clip her ends, and we're going to get started on styling. So like I stated in the beginning of this video, this is going to be a quick, simple, and easy style just to hold her off until I have to do her hair for school. So with that being said, I'm just going ahead and let y'all sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Toodles.